It takes 0.5 seconds for this apple to fall to the ground. The initial velocity of the apple is 0, acceleration is 9.8. Calculate the distance fallen by the apple. Now, when I see a question like this, which mentions the equations sheet and mentions acceleration, initial velocity, and distance, I recall that there is an equation on the physics equation sheet that should help me with this. And this is it. So it mentions initial velocity, it mentions acceleration, it mentions distance. And you note that a lot of the stuff that we need for this equation is given to you in the question. So we have the initial velocity, we have the acceleration, we want to know the distance. And so the thing we're missing is the final velocity here. So we can't currently use this equation because we don't have enough information. But there is another equation on the equation sheet that can help us here. And that equation is that acceleration is the change in velocity divided by time. So we have a time, we have an acceleration, so we can work out the change in the speed of this apple. And since we know it started at 0, once we know the change in speed, we'll know the final velocity. So let's do that. The acceleration is 9.8. The change in velocity, let's call it v, divided by time, which is 0.5. If we multiply the 0.5 over 9.8 times 0.5 is 4.9 meters per second. So since that's the change in the speed, that is also the final speed because we started at 0. So now that we know that, we can begin to sub what we know into that first equation. So the final velocity is 4.9 squared, because that's the equation. The initial velocity is 0, so we'll still write it in, is 0 squared, equals 2 multiplied by acceleration, which is 9.8, times distance. Let's call it d. So we now need to use a calculator to work out some of this. So 4.9 squared, let's work out. 4.9 squared is 4.9 squared like that, which is 24.01. So we have 24.01. The 0 squared is nothing, so we'll leave that. 2 times 9.8 is 19.6. So now, to work out what the distance is, I can just do 24.01 divided by 19.6, put that into the calculator, and I should have the answer. 24.01 divided by 19.6 is 1.225. Or we'll just leave it as 1.2 meters. And that is all 6 marks.